Hey guys, it's Erika, and I'm gonna show you some plants that I just unboxed that I didn't get on film because I'm a silly Billy, but at least I could show you the plants. So we're gonna start off with this one. So if you have seen, okay, well, let me preface this. So I bought succulents, pretty much succulents, because I feel like summertime is like cacti, succulents, and I have a bit of cacti and succulents, but I would like to expand my collection. But anyways, here is this was labeled as a Christmas cactus, and I honestly cannot tell the difference between a Christmas cactus and an Easter cactus. Yeah, a Christmas cactus and a spring cactus. Like, I cannot tell the difference. If I see the flowers, I could probably tell the difference, but I don't know. So I just trusted that it is a Christmas cactus because it's the only one that I don't have. I have a spring cactus, I have a Thanksgiving cactus, and now hopefully I have a Christmas cactus. And from the looks of it, it doesn't have any flowers, which they could have already fallen off, but I'm not sure. I think it's a good sign. I think it is a Christmas cactus. I have a feeling this is a Christmas cactus, and my epiphytic cactus, what is it? Epiphytic holiday cactus collection is complete with this one. And I do have a bunch, if you've seen in my outdoor plant tour video, but I don't know, I just feel like the collection is complete as long as this is not a spring cactus. And I'm so excited. Now I just need an orchid cactus. I feel like the list is going to keep growing as time goes on. But I'm so excited about this plant. And then maybe this year in like the wintertime, we will see the truth, the 100% truth when it blooms. So I'm super excited about that. And it shipped completely bare root. Like, it was literally wrapped like this. And I feel like the roots look so good. So yeah, these things ship like a champ. Except it's kind of soft, so I think I need to pot it up like soon, like now, so that it doesn't suffer anymore. But it has the soil and everything, so I feel like it's good. I'm so excited to have it. I'm gonna probably do a comparison with my spring cactus up close. And then next, I bought these. And I bought 2 of them because I did have a variegated string of hearts already that a subscriber sent me, and they're dead now. They completely died. I don't know why I didn't take propagations. Like, I regret that so much. I don't know why I didn't take propagations, but I think these will be fine. Their soil is really dry, and I feel like it's just like a little homage to that little plant that I lost. And these ones are not going to be dying on my watch, hopefully. I should probably take a propagation of these, but I don't know. I just feel like they're not really that long. This is the longer one out of the bunch, so I don't know. But it's a little homage to that one that I lost, and I'll still think of the subscriber when I look at these, and I'll put it with the other ones that he gave me so they could be a little family again. Oh, I'm so sad that plant died, but we got us little replacements. And then I got this little cactus. Oh, cactus. This little succulent. Isn't this the cutest little succulent you ever seen? Oh my gosh. And I bought it specifically, like, I have no idea what it is. I could probably look and find out, but I bought it because it's like so fuzzy and cute. I just love it so much. It's so soft. Oh, it's so adorable. I love it. I also really like the coloring. Like, it's kind of a little bit like purplish at the tips. So I'm really happy with this. It's so cute. And then I also bought 2, variegated string of hearts. Here's one of them. And this does look kind of different to the ones that I already have. I'm gonna get the other one that I have to show you. Here's the comparison between mine And the ones that I just got, oh my gosh, those like 2 leaves are completely white. Well, almost completely white. These are kind of more pink and they have smaller, maybe it's just because it's a younger plant. I don't know, I feel like these are more purple. Actually, why the heck is my plant not as purple? Maybe my plant did look like this when it was smaller. I feel like I need to give this plant more light or something, because why is it not as purple? So I also got my spring cactus, okay? And I am like 100% sure that this is a Christmas cactus. Let me compare them side by side also. You can see that the Christmas cactus definitely has like, it's more indented. This is kind of like a little ruffle, okay? And then the Christmas cactus is like a deeper ruffle. So I'm so excited. My collection is finally complete. And look, this little babe is gonna put out a bloom. Okay, she already had 2 blooms, but they're done now. So there's gonna be one more coming out. So the show was not over yet. Okay, I'm so excited. I wonder what color this is gonna be. That's gonna be so fun to see. So that is it for today's video. I feel like it's gonna be on the shorter side because the unwrapping part, it's not gonna be there, but that's okay. So if you enjoyed it, you can give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for some more planty content, and thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Bye! So I said that I bought 2 variegated sugar hearts, okay, but now I already have 3 with this one right here, and I feel like that's kind of a lot. But they're just so cute, and this one looks a little bit different, so we just gotta collect them all, you know. But I got this one to give away to one of you guys. Yay! And I was thinking like, oh, do I even want to unwrap it, because I'm just gonna send it out again, but I don't know how long it's gonna be before I send it out. I'm probably gonna send it out on like Monday or something. So we're gonna unwrap it and see how it looks. By the way, I'm gonna wrap it exactly how it was wrapped right now. So there was paper towels and tape. So that's how I'm gonna wrap it when I send it out. But here it is. It's so pretty. I feel like this one looks more like mine. No. What the heck? Mine looks so different. But yeah, I think it looks more similar to this one than the other ones. But yep, these are so cute. So one of you guys can win this. Literally, you just need to leave a comment down below. And that's it. The giveaway is gonna end next Friday, which is gonna be May 29th. And to let you know that you won, I'm just gonna reply to your comment on the video letting you know to email me, and then I'll send it out from there.